In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your app in Base44. We're going to walk through the exact path you'll use inside Base44 to open a live preview of your app, so you can validate layouts, flows, and content before sharing it more widely. The process is quick, and once you know where everything lives, you'll be able to preview with confidence anytime you make changes. Start by opening Base44 in your browser. When the workspace loads, look for the main navigation and click Apps. This brings you to a list of the applications you have access to. If you work across multiple projects, take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace or filter so you see the app you want. From the list, select the app you want to preview. In our example, we're clicking on an app called Everlasting Echoes. If your project has a different name, simply choose that one instead. The rest of the steps are identical. Inside the app, head to the dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your control center. It's where you can get a snapshot of your project and jump to the tools you use most often. From here, find and click Preview. This option is dedicated to spinning up a live view of your app without publishing changes to production, which makes it perfect for quick checks and stakeholder reviews. On the preview screen, you'll see a link to your app's preview domain. This is the special URL that loads your app in preview mode. Click that link to open it. If you like to keep your workspace visible, right-click and open it in a new tab so you can switch back and forth easily. You'll know you're in preview by looking at the address bar, which will show the app's preview domain rather than your production URL. Once the preview loads, interact with your app the same way your users would. Navigate through pages, try key flows, and confirm that copy, images, and data render correctly. If something looks off, switch back to your dashboard to make fixes, then refresh the preview tab to see the update. If the link doesn't open or you see a permissions message, double check that you selected the correct app and that you have access to it in your workspace. That's all there is to it. Open Base44, go to Apps, select your project, head to the dashboard, click Preview, and open the preview link. Use this workflow whenever you're iterating on features, preparing a demo, or performing a final pass before a release. Thanks for watching and happy building.